Living in Fleming Island means enjoying Florida's sunshine, waterfront breezes, and vibrant neighborhoods. But it also means managing the challenges of heat, humidity, and high energy costs. For many homeowners, outdated windows are a big contributor to these issues, allowing cool air to escape and hot air to creep inside. Fortunately, today's energy-efficient window installation options offer solutions that improve comfort, lower utility bills, and protect your home from Florida's climate. Why energy-efficient windows matter in Fleming Island. Florida's subtropical weather puts windows to the test year-round. Hot summers. Inefficient windows allow solar heat gain, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Humidity. Poor seals let in moisture that can lead to mold or frame damage. Storm season. Outdated windows may not provide adequate protection during heavy winds and rain. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce these problems by creating a strong barrier between your home's interior and the outdoors. Double and triple pane glass. One of the most effective upgrades is switching from single pane to double or triple pane glass. Insulating gas. Layers of argon or krypton gas between panes reduce heat transfer. Year-round comfort. Keeps interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Noise reduction. Extra panes also block outdoor noise, creating a quieter living space. For Fleming Island homes, where summer cooling costs can skyrocket, these glass options make a noticeable difference. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are another powerful feature of modern energy-efficient windows. Reflective properties. Invisible metallic layers reflect heat away from your home. UV protection. Blocks harmful rays that fade furniture, flooring, and drapes. Balanced light. Lets in natural daylight without the added heat. In Florida's sunny climate, low-E glass is a must-have for reducing cooling expenses while keeping your home bright and inviting. Frame materials that work in Florida. The material of your window frame also affects energy performance. Vinyl frames. Affordable, low maintenance, and resistant to moisture, great for humid areas. Fiberglass frames. Extremely durable, offering superior insulation and long lifespans. Composite frames. Made from a blend of materials, composites combine strength, insulation, and eco-friendliness. These options are better suited to Fleming Island's heat and humidity compared to older wood or aluminum frames, which may warp or conduct heat. Impact-resistant and storm-smart options. Since Florida is prone to tropical storms, many energy-efficient windows are designed with safety in mind. Impact-resistant glass. Protects your home from flying debris while also improving insulation. Weatherproof seals. Prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion. Insurance benefits. Some upgrades may lower home insurance premiums. Choosing windows that balance energy efficiency with storm protection ensures long-term peace of mind. The importance of professional installation. Even the most advanced windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Tight sealing. Professionals ensure there are no gaps where air or water can enter. Proper insulation. Frames and sashes are installed to maximize efficiency. Custom fit. Each window is measured precisely to suit your home. With expert installation, your windows will deliver maximum energy savings and durability. Final thoughts. For homeowners in Fleming Island, energy-efficient window installation is more than an upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, savings, and protection. Options like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and durable frames are specifically designed to withstand Florida's heat and humidity while reducing energy waste. By working with a trusted professional installer, you'll enjoy windows that not only keep your home cooler and quieter but also enhance curb appeal and long-term value. If your current windows are outdated or drafty, now is the perfect time to explore energy-efficient replacements designed for Florida living.